Hey y'all, hey, let's pack my makeup. I'm taking to Italy. Yesterday I had my last event that I'll need makeup for. So this morning I pulled everything I think I'm gonna wear at least once or twice in Italy and put it in this nice little case. I got a set of cases like this from Amazon. And let's go ahead and look. So firstly, I'm taking this little travel mirror. I'm not gonna charge it. I never use the lighting function. I don't like how it looks, but I don't know what the mirror slash lighting situation will be, and I always like to use natural light to get ready. So this is nice and portable. I can take it wherever I want to get ready. And let's talk makeup. So I always like to spritz my face a little before I get going and let this soak in. This is the Anastasia Dewy set. I like to start my makeup look with this. So this is a brand new one. My other one only has like this much left in it, and I'm like, ooh, can't really use that. So maybe I'll take that one to Vegas. But got this. I don't always use a primer, but just in case I feel like my skin needs it, I've got the Juice Beauty Phytopigments Illuminating Primer. I've got two like base skin products. This is what I almost always use, the Ilia C Beyond Triple Serum SPF 40. I don't like a lot of coverage. I like to still look like my skin is my skin, but in case my skin does freak out while traveling and I need something a little more, I've got the Tarte Amazonian Clay 16-hour full coverage foundation if I feel like I need something a little more heavy. I've got two concealers. This is the one I use most of the time, and this is the 100% Pure Long Last Concealer. And then if I want something with a little more coverage, I use the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer. And this is still not even a ton of coverage, but it's just a step up from this. So I've got these. I'm going to take the one size translucent powder. I don't always use powder, but I don't know what the weather will be like. Maybe I'll want this. I've got my Trixie Cosmetics Flower Power Bronzer. This is so pretty. Look at that. That's just so pretty. And then even though that has a highlight in it, I'll probably also take this because this is very like mild and natural. This is a Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in just highlight one. Taking two blushes, a peach and a pink. These are both Tarte blushes that were limited edition colors in like holiday sets. So this is Treasured and this is Thankful. And they both look exactly like the color on the packaging. I'm not going to open these up. For eyes, I'm taking the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion just to make sure everything stays in place. For eyeshadow, I'm only taking one since I'm not really like an eye look kind of person. I'm taking the Urban Decay Moondust Shadow in Wild Dipper. This is my favorite one, and it looks so pretty. Got my Medusa's Makeup Witchy Liner for when I feel like lining my eyes. And the Tarte Tubing Mascara. I really like this, and it removes so nicely. Lash curler. And I'm usually just a clear brow gel person, so I've got the Milk Kush Clear Brow Gel, but if I do get the whim to fill my brows, I've got the Anastasia Brow Wiz. As far as lips go, you never know what you're going to want, so I'm taking a few different products. So I've got 3 liners. I've got the Trixie Cosmetics Lip Sync Gel Liner in Fax Me and Work Wife, so those two. And then I've got the Fenty Traced Out Pencil Lip Liner in Peanut Butter. To go along with that, I'm taking this e.l.f. sharpener. And then I've got 4 colored lip products. I've got the Trixie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Flamin' Hot. I've got this very old, what is this, a Maybelline in Blushing Bud. There's only a tiny bit of this left, but this color looks great on me. Well, it kind of matches my nails. And then I have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, and this is in Rosy Copper Shimmer Glass. It's a really pretty one. And then the Medusa's Makeup, I think they call these their lip balms, even though they're really color saturated, and this is in Spicy. That looks really cute on. And lastly, I've got the Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. This is admittedly a little dry for me, but I bought it and it doesn't look terrible, so I'm going to use it. There's only a little bit left. I can't imagine I'm going to need to set my face too many times in Italy, so it doesn't really matter that it's half empty. I am washing my makeup brushes today, so they should be good and dry to pack in a day or so. And if you want a video on which makeup brushes I'm taking, I don't think it's that interesting, just the ones that correspond with the various products. But that's all the makeup I'm taking, and it's getting so close. We leave Friday. I'm so excited. So looking forward to it.